Hello everyone, welcome to Panther School. So, in this in the CPQ learning series today, let me tell me brief intro about myself. I am Sheikh Misra. I am Salesforce CPQ specialist. I'm also a Trailblazer mentor, and here is my LinkedIn profile and a Twitter profile. You can connect me over there. In this today's session, we will discuss about that what is the pricing method in the Salesforce CPQ, and we also discuss about that how many types of pricing method like list price, cost price, block pricing, percentage of total. And apart from that, we also discuss about the very important topic in the in the Salesforce CPQ is a multi-dimension quotation. How we will create the multi-dimension quotation. Okay, we also discuss about that one. So let's jump on that one. So what is that list pricing? What is the pricing method? Firstly, we will discuss what is the pricing method, why Salesforce CPQ introduced these things. So as we discussed in the earlier session, we see that when I'm defining these things, what is the standard process of that, why Salesforce CPQ introduced that one. So in the standard process, we have only one pricing method, that is a uh, list price of that one. So we don't have the so much pricing method pricing things in the standard quotation process. But in the Salesforce APQ, we have a different pricing methods. We have so like that list price, block pricing, cost pricing, percentage of total. There is a many ways. Okay, so what is the pricing of that one? So CPQ pricing method can be used to perform a price change when the Salesforce sales rep adds a product to a quote. Means when you are adding a product to the particular quote, let's suppose that let's take an example of my favorite quote, that is a 001. In that quote, when you go to the edit line, and there is a quote line editor page is coming. So when you add the product, so it will be adding the product. So on that one, if there is a bundle product, there is a subscription product is there. So means based on that, if suppose that if a bundle product is there, so what pricing method is choosing on the product base. So at that time, it will be that pricing terminology is working on that. So this is the pricing method, means on the product level, what you are choosing, like either when you are creating a product, you are choosing the list prices, cost prices, or you are choosing a block pricing method, we are choosing a percentage of total. So that is the different terminologies we have. So means you can understand that when you are creating a product, what pricing method we are using, either a list price is you are adding a price book entry of that one, means it's a price book of that product. Okay, you can say that one. Cost price is what is the margins which we will apply to a particular product, what is the costing of that one. So that is a block pricing is that one. So it is a range it is defined there. So it is a um, so if you are buying just take an example of that one. If you are buying a product of bulk quantity, let's suppose that 10 quantity of that one. So there is a if that is coming on that particular range of 1 or 2 10 range of that particular product, that we are taking the that particular amount of, let's suppose a $10 of that one. If you are buying a six product also now, then at that time also it will be taking the $10 amount of that one. So that is a block pricing. Percentage of total, I also explained you in the last lecture that what is the percentage of total. Percentage of total is what is the it will not specifying the amount of that product. It will be calculated by using of that what all the product you added there. So according to that, we also calculate that price is that, okay, it is a 10% discount of that one, 10% of that total product, or the means I mean we need to define that that products of that one. So let's jump to the next part of that one. What is the list price? For the list price is not nothing as that, it's the same as the what is the price book entry you define it. So as you see, that's each and every product we have a list prices, a standard price book we added of that one. So that is the list price of that product. So that's net price or multi. If you have a multi currency is available in your particular org, so it we also define your price book of that one. So let's go to that example of list price. Firstly, we will create the list price of that particular product. Let's create a uh, list price of that one. So I will take an example of laptop. Example of 15 or 15-inch uh, laptop confi laptop confi example. This price. Oh, sorry. This price. I will take the active product code is laptop list price. Okay. So here we will pricing method. We are choosing the list price only. I'm talking about this fields. What is the different way? So in the subscription pricing, we always choose the list prices as I defined in my previous session. Click on save. Okay. Go to the related. Okay, so currently this product is not available in this code. If you see these things, this product is still active, but you are not added the price book entry, so it is not visible to your code line code. So I will take this example here, edit line, and remove this for now. Hit on quick save, add product, laptop. See, this is not available. When you added, go to the related tab, go to the price book. When you added the price book here, okay, so it's $100, 1,000 rupees, because our in the org level I set this thing to I said that for currency code for the INR only, so for that reason it is coming here. So click on save. So this is a list price of that product. This is list price. You can see here also. So this is the list price of that product, particular product. So when you click refresh this page, and when you add the product, you see that this product is available for you. So this is our list price of that particular product. Laptop. You see, 15-inch laptop. Yeah, see, you are able to see these things now. If I'm not, yeah, this product, click on save. So you can see this is the list price of that particular product. See, this is list price of that one. Okay, so as you see, this list prices are means what is the standard price book entry of that particular product is a list price of that one. Now cost price. What is the cost prices? Cost price is a different thing. So it's also coming out with the markup of that product. So what is the markup plus? If it's a 10% discount or a 15% of markup of that product, it's all about that one. The cost price is the cost of the particular product plus the markup of that particular. Unlike the price of the cost price, I start with the base prices. So means let's suppose what is the cost price of that, what is the manufacturing prices of when you creating of that, what how much amount it will taking for the creating of the particular product. And for that one we also adjust sales rep giving the margins of that one. Okay, this is the 15% margin of 10% margin of that one. So this is all about the cost prices of that one. So we also see the create a new product of that one. So you can see this in the example of that one. What is the example of that? So every product we have a related object called as a cost price, called cost. On that one, we can define the what is the cost prices of that particular product. So it is you can think on that manner. If it is always we have a particular currency. Let's suppose that if you in your org we have a multi currency is available in your org, enable in your org, so it is always one cost price for the particular one currency. Okay, there is a no such way that okay, $10 for the another same product for that and $15 for same. So we cannot do this that way. Means only particular product we have only one cost price of per currency of that one. Okay, so for this same we also create the cost price of that one. Okay, so let's go to the our org and go to the all products, hit on new. Here I will take an example. Let's suppose that cost price example. Okay, cost price active, then only it is visible. Okay, so now earlier in our previous one, what we selected here, pricing method, we selected list. Now for this case, we were selecting the pricing method to cost only. So click on save. For this one also, we need to add the see, you also see these things here also cost. So from here we will define the what is the cost prices of that one. So for this one, for the cost of that one, we also need to add the price book answer. For then only it will be available for you. Okay, so for this one I will list price of this product is 0 and go to the cost price of that one, click on new. We will define the what is the unit cost prices of that one. So what is the unit cost price of that one? Let's suppose that I'm taking an example of 100. So 100 is the unit cost price of that one. Okay, let me add it and go to the org level setting to change the I will change the default currency of that one. So for this one, okay, we are not doing anything. So we already created the cost price of that particular product. Okay, so for this one, let me check the bank with setting out company information. Language is there. English USD, and we'll change that. So let me update the currency of this one. Okay, so it was the now I will go to the quote. Now I will go to the quote only. So let me add the product here and cost price. You see this list price is coming 0, but you can see here the cost price is coming. The quantity is there, but see net total price because I will also see in the dragon. You see the unit price of that one. What is the also the cost price is coming up somewhere. So this way you can define these things. Okay. I'm not able to see the markup here, but we can do this in the quote. Let me add it. Setup in the quote. We will add the markup here. Unit cost and markup field set in the go to the field set. Quote field set. Quote field set. Line editor field set. In the line editor, we will add two things. No, in the line not. This is a replacement field. The columns we need to add here. So add in this quote line. No, wrong. Quote line editor. In the quote line also I will check. Let me. I didn't recall, but yeah, I will check these things. How it is one. Okay, quote line and field set. Line editor here. You all see that all the things. Okay, here in the quote line there is a we need to add the field. Let's suppose that list unit price markup and unit price, unit cost price of that one. So click on save. So you can see here also if you on quick save and refresh the page. See, you can see this for this particular post here. We have a unit price and a list price here. List price is 0, unit price is 100 only. I will update the quantity to 5. Okay, and margin to, we can also define the margin in the amount also and the USD also. So 10% of that one, and here see the amount is calculated of that one. See, the amount is coming up properly. Okay, so this is a unit price. So from where the list price is using, so list price is generally using of that one when we have a different materials. We have what is the unit cost prices of that one. We can define of that one. Let's suppose that if I am buying a product like the raw material of that one, so means what is the actual costing of that particular product, so that way we can defining and all the things we are charging that much amount of that one. Okay, here also we have a markup is also giving to you that what is that one. Okay, this is a cost price of that particular product. Okay, now we will come to the third pricing method, what is called as block pricing method. So block pricing method is generally using when we are buying a product in a bulk manner. Like suppose that uh, bulk manner, in you can say that one, that uh 10 means a range format of that one. Let's suppose that if you are buying a product, let's 50 quantity of that, if your product is coming from that range, then automatically that price is coming off that one. If you are buying 100 pieces of that particular product, then also it will taking a $25. Means the prices must be different as per your business. We will defining the prices of that one, but we can take an example of that one. So if you are buying a product of 100 1 or 200 quantity of that one, that range only, the prices is different only. So this way it is working on that one. Means it will defining you the tire of that one. Means it will be coming in the tire basis of that one. If it is a coming in a range, you can take a range of that one. If your quantity is coming in that range, so means it will take, you are paying off for that much amount of that product. Okay, there means it block pricing, you can, this is very similar of that one. We have in the discount when we discuss in the future session, when we discuss about the discount scheduling method. So from there also it's the same way. In the volume, if you are buying a product in a volume based, okay, so that time you have a use of that volume based discount, means giving a particular discount of the particular product and all the things. Okay, so what is the key fields of that one? So key fields we have not so much. We have only 2 or 3 key fields. We have that price name, as we always use that standard naming convention we are using for the price name. Lower bound or upper bound of that one. Lower bound is meant what is the minimum quantity of that one, what is the maximum quantity of that we are defining on the range of that one. So there is a lower bound and upper bound. So in this phase now, lower bound will be included, but upper bound will be excluded of that one. Let's suppose that if you are taking an example of that 1 to 100, okay, so the upper one will be excluded of that one, lower one will. So if you are taking of that one, so means you are taking the example of that one 100 and 1, then automatically it will be range of 100 and to 100, 1 to 100 range of that one. Okay, after that we have a price. What is the price of the particular cost of product of that one? If there is a multiple currency is enabled, you also see the additional column of that one. So in my all, there is multi currency is not enabled. For that reason, it will not showing the what is the currency code of that one. Okay, we also create a new product of this one. Okay, we will create a new product for the block pricing. So let me create a new product of this one. I will create a new example of this one, block pricing. example. Okay, hit on active block pricing. Here, what is the pricing method? Pricing method is block pricing now. Okay, and click on save. Okay, now go to the related tab. Here we will define the create new block prices. Okay, we have a different pricing method is there. We will create a price name is block one, and what I'm taking a range of 1 to 50. Okay, what is the lower bound? Lower bound is 1 and upper bound is 50. Upper bound I will take the example of 51, because if you because I already told you that we always exclude the upper bound of that one. So then only it will coming the 50 of that. If you are taking the quantity of 50, then it will be coming of the that one. 25 I'm taking an example of that one. Here there is the different also what is the original block prices of that, if there is a price already there of that one. Order product of we are applying for the order product of that one. Okay, we will create a standard price book of that one. The first of things we need to create a price book of this one, a standard price book 0. Okay, block pricing block 1 1 2 51 51 51, price is 25, hit on save. And I'm taking a quantity of 52, 100. What is the upper bound here now? Lower bound is 51, upper bound is 101. And now I'm taking the example of 50. Save and new. Oh, sorry. Block 2, 1 to 1 to 50. 1 to 50 is 51 is 25. And what is the product here? Block pricing. Facebook entry is standard block. Then I'm taking 3 block pricing I'm created. I will create only 100 to 150. What is the lower bound? Lower bound is 150. What is the upper bound? Upper bound is 151. Okay, and I'm taking the $100. Okay, click on save. Okay, sorry, 100 150. Okay, so all the 3 pricing method is created now. Now we will go to the code line editor page. Code line, here we will add the product of that one, block price example. Click on select. So if you update the let's see, I'm updating the quantity to 51 also. Then you can see this calculate. This is automatically. If I update the quantity of 46, then $25 is coming only. It will not multiply by that much amount. It will always give you this list price only. Okay, for this one you can also see here in this pricing method, view rate card. This another pop-up window is popping up. Yeah, there is a okay, I will see this why it is not coming. But here in this way the block pricing method is working. If it will be when you are choosing the range basis of that particular product, so that time the block pricing of your product is working on that one. So block pricing is absolute price for the quote line. Okay, means that is the exact price of that one. It is not working in that way how it is working here. So if we update the quantity to 9, okay, then here it will update the amount also. But in the block pricing, it will coming on the in which range of that particular product is coming up. So that way it will be coming up here. Okay. So I don't know why it is not showing your card, but I will check these things and let you know about that. But yeah, automatically the range card range of showing up that okay, for this particular product, this is the range of the particular things. Okay, so this is the block pricing of that one. Here, if you suppose that there is a business scenario, if is there, if suppose that that okay, Abhishek, I need to buy a quantity of 51 or 52 of that particular things, and I don't want to pay off that extra amount of that one. Let's suppose that for the 56, okay, 46, that is a cost list unit price is $25, 25 rupees. Okay, so if I update the pricing of that, if I update the quantity to 51, okay, so for 51, what is the is price of that one is 50 only, but I don't want to pay for the single. I update the only quantity of one only. So what I don't want to pay of that particular things. I only pay of the what is the added quantity of that one. So I only want to pay of that added quantity only. Okay, so how we can achieve these things? So we need to create a one special fields in a Salesforce on the quote objects. So for that only we will create the no, we will not create on the quote object. We will create this field on the block price object. So from that way you can achieve this functionality. Okay, so let me create a field on that one. On that field is mandatory, means same API name you need to create. So then accordingly the Salesforce CPQ understand, okay, this is a special field offer. Okay, you also Google it out, that special fields in Salesforce, special field in Salesforce CPQ. Okay, these are some special fields. From that way you can achieve this this type of functionalities and all. So from this we need to always keep the API name same of that one. Okay, so let me go to the object manager and go to the block price object. In the block price object, I will create a go to field and relationship and click on new, and here I will take the data type to currency. Okay, and what is the field name is there? Field name is over is rate. Over is rate. Okay, this is a field name. Okay, so means 15. Okay, click on next. Yes, we will add this field. Now in the block pricing we will go there. Okay, you also see one field called as over it. What is the price coming here? Okay, so what is the price coming here is, so we can define the what is the quantity we need to define of that. So we always add in this field in the of the all the things. Okay, so I will take the 2 rupees or 2 rupees. I will take the example of that one. Okay, okay, so 2 rupees of that particular things is coming. Okay, it will be coming on that one. Okay, sorry, it will added in the last of that particular products. Okay, last means this product we need to add the overage rate. Okay, 5. Sorry, so how it is working means when you added, let's suppose that an example of when you update the quantity to 151 or 152, what is the amount of that one? Okay, at that time overage rate is coming out. I will show you in the example also. That let's take an example here, 150 120. Okay, so what is the price here? It will come to the $100, 100 rupees. Okay, if I update to 156, what is that amount now? Okay, so it is okay. I will go to this one. Next slide. Over is there. Let me delete firstly. Create new currency. This one. Next. Save. Okay. Now for this particular product, we will define this if over is rate to 5 here and save. Okay. Now go to the code line, refresh, edit line, edit line. Okay, so the quantity is already there. So I will update to 149. The amount is coming according to me is 100 rupees. If we update to 105, 25. Okay. If we update to 59 is 50. Okay. If we update to 100, 01, what is the price? 100. If we update to 120, what is the price? It is 195. Why it is 195? Because I guess I also 150 to 101, 150 is 100 only. Okay, I will check this part here also. Go to related. I guess somewhere it is also coming, and here also I will check this part. Why it is not working properly, I don't know. Okay, again I will check this thing. 1012, 150. It is always 100 only. Okay, so I will check this part, but this way we need to create and all the things. According to me, this must be that 100 only till until 151. 150 is 100 only, but I don't know why it is updating the this thing, but I will check this part also. Okay. For the now we will come to the our slides. What is that one? So this is the way from where we need to define the over rate of that particular product. Okay, so over rate is all about that if you are giving the suppose that there is a no range of that particular product. So how we define if someone is added the extra quantity of that particular product. So over rate is always defined in the last of that particular things. Okay, for the final block of that one. Okay, so this is the overage of that one. Now we will come to the our second last topic is percentage of total. So what is the percentage of total product is working is there? So means it's not a specific price we are defining of that one. So it will always go for the particular product side, product family, and all the things. Means what is the bundle of that product? If you are selected, what products you selected there. So according to that, it will take the amount. Either either it is in the percentage level or either in the amount level of that one. So let's take an example of when you order any food from the Swiggy. So there is some tips for the particular delivery guy. So that tip is calculated what how much amount product quantity is there. According to that, there is some calculation is behind that. So 10% of that tip to the particular delivery boy. So this way it is working on. A percentage of total is generally using for the subscription type of products. Like suppose there is no such existence in there. So this at that time we are using the percentage of total product of that. Okay. So percentage of total there is no such calculation is there with it. This is automatically calculated of these things. So majorly we have a product in let's go to an example. So we can I will tell you that how it is showing and all the things. We already have a product called as um, installation product is there on our org. Installation. Okay, in this electric installation, you can see here that pricing method is list price, but we will added these things. Okay, so here what is all about that, we will go to the uh, here we will update the pricing method to list to percentage of total, and also we will give the what is the percentage of total in the amount, either the list base or which category we it is belongs to. If you are doing for the group level of giving the product level group level of that one. So according to that, we are defining of that. There are various fields we have in this one. Percentage of total, either a minimum amount of we are taking, the maximum amount of that we are taking, and the particular product we are taking, either we have defined here the summary, some of the product parent product we are defining here. So I'm taking an example of the 10% discount of the these things. Okay, so this way it is going on such a manner of that one. Okay, so when you had added this electric installation product in your code, so at that time we will automatically this discount is coming out automatically, price is populated there. So this way it is working on that one. So let me go to the, I will add the product called as click on calculate. You can see this is automatically coming up that for this particular product what is the unit prices of there is there. So this amount is automatically populated, that 10% of that particular product is coming of that one. So the actual price is different only. So automatically the price 10% of this product automatically coming up. Means if we update the it's not a mandatory ones that you need to define of the all the things. So automatically what products you added there, so automatically that product, if I added any other product that what product I will take, laptop. Okay, you can see this electric pricing automatically changes here, because it will taking all the other products, and then accordingly the price is calculating of that one. So it will calculate all the prices according to that 10% of all the products, and then it will be giving the net price of that particular product. Okay, so this is all about the percentage of total. So we already have, if suppose that in this we already see this thing, but in this when we are creating a percentage of total type of products, so we always, the pricing method is percentage of total. We always give this what is the list. Here also we need to total base, in which basis it is working, either list base or cost basis of that one. So we will define here also. And what is the total category in which it is belongs to, either hardware category or software grouping, means you can say that in which grouping methods is there also. So this is the percentage of total of the product. Now we will come to the our last topic of today's is that multi-dimension quotation. So multi-dimension quotation is plays a major role in the Salesforce CPQ. What is all about that? Multi-dimension allow you multi-dimension allow you to break a long subscription into a smaller blocks. Okay, so how you can see these things. Let's take an example of you are buying a Salesforce Amazon Prime subscription for 2 years. Okay, so company just give means there is a offer is there. Company give you that if you are buying a 2 year subscription, then first year we are giving you a 10% discount or 5% discount of that particular subscription. So this is a best way, so means to interact the customer, that yeah, you are getting the best deal of that one. So this way is working of that one. It also helps the self rep to close their deal ASAP also, and then billing contract and common use case of means of that one. MDQ allow you to the segment subscription product multiple times within a single code. Means it also show you that what the your product is in which showcase of that one, either is a monthly basis or a quarterly basis or yearly basis, so you can see on that way. So this is that way you can define of that one. uh, in this way, we can define the MDQ product of that one. Okay. So go to the this one. So I will take an example of VPN installation, VPN product. Let me check if we have or not. According to me, if I have, yeah, VPN license product we have. In this VPN license product, we need to define that there's a few things we need to uh, define here. So for this one, I will take an example. There is no such pricing method is there. Okay, see, there is no such pricing we need to do here. How we will create this thing? See, the pricing method is not MDQ is here. Okay, how we can achieve the MDQ then? So for that one, we will go to the related ones. Okay, and there's a new price dimension is there. So this price dimension you will define here. Okay, VPN this dimension name is quantitative VPN. Okay, quarterly VPN. Means you are showing your product in the quarterly basis or yearly basis or monthly basis you are showing here. So monthly basis, custom, one time, means you can think on that manner. In this, such that one based of the business requirement we are dealing of that one. Okay, you're showing the product of that yearly basis, like suppose the 3 years or 5 years of what is the price of the is vary of that one. You can, so I will take an example of that one, standard ones, and price editable inherit all the things is, I mean, this is pricing is coming for the billing on and all the things. So yeah, okay, and nothing we need to change here. Quantitatively are inherit if there is a coming of the parent product at all, it will be defining here. Okay, here the main fields we have is the dimension name, or what this is all about, that what is the field here in the here type field is majorly using for that your product is showing in which manner, either daily basis or monthly basis or quarterly basis. In the there is a custom pick list also there, so from there you can also define that this things. Okay, price book is all about that what price book in which currency you are showing this this particular product of this okay. So the important things you must know about this multi-dimension is that there must be a dimension created for each combination of price book, currency, and time period. You must define these things. You cannot have multiple time-based price dimension of same currency. So you cannot create a same per currency of at a multiple dimension of that one. Okay, so we will go to the we will go to the code and we will add this product now. Refresh this page and go to the add product. Go to the add product, and here we will search the VPN install. Okay, VPN license is there. Oh, sorry. Okay, click on select. You can see these things. You can see this, what is the quarter one of that particular, what is the price of the quarter one, what is the price of the quarter two, what is the price of quarter three and quarter four. Means in that manner you can think about that one. You also define the what is the prices of quarter 4 and 5 here. Also there is a somewhere defined, you need to define here also. Okay, so see the calculation is automatically coming up, so you that yeah, the quantity is this one, list uplift or regular prices, this all the things you can define here. So this is a multi-dimension. You also means you can define on that manner that yeah, what is the quarterly or what is the monthly basis of that particular product is showing up of all the things. Okay, so this is all about the list prices of that multi-dimension quotation process of that one. So this is all about these things. So thank you, Panther School, for giving this opportunity. So let's meet in another session of this month. Okay, thank you all.